education station. And in a meeting that took place earlier tonight, the IPS school board presented their Rebuilding Stronger proposal and discussed how they plan to pay for it.
News 8 education reporter Jay Jackson explains how referendums could help support the Rebuilding Stronger proposal.
Ahead of the meeting, Superintendent Dr. Alicia Johnson spoke to us about the preliminary determination hearings they have planned to put the referendums on the ballot for May 2023. The referendum would help support the Rebuilding Stronger proposal that will see the reconfigurations of schools and rezoning the district. There were fewer people in the audience at Tuesday night's board meeting, and even less that gave public comment. The topic was on how an operating and capital referendum would help support the district's Rebuilding Stronger proposal and what that would ultimately mean for the taxpayer.
This preliminary determination hearing as the next step to moving toward being on the ballot in May of 2023. And so as we've talked about Rebuilding Stronger and the number of opportunities that Rebuilding Stronger will provide to our students and the ways in which it will help to grow our system overall. As we think about how to finance this work, we know that we need to ensure that we are continuing to align our budget with our values.
Our commissioners are scheduled to vote on the Rebuilding Stronger plan during the action session this Thursday. More tonight after this meeting. In Indianapolis, Jay Jackson for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and you can follow us on Facebook.